Fortinet NSE 7 SD-WAN 7.2 NSE 7 _SDW 7.2 exam online dumps are the best material for you to study all the related topics. Study the Fortinet NSE 7 _SDW 7.2 exam dumps here. 1. Which two statements about SLA targets and SD-WAN rules are true? Choose 2. A. When configuring an SD-WAN rule, you can select multiple SLA targets of the same performance SLA. B. SD-WAN rules use SLA targets to check if the preferred members meet the SLA requirements. C. SLA targets are used only by SD-WAN rules that are configured with lowest cost, SLA, or maximize bandwidth, SLA, as strategy. D. Member metrics are measured only if an SLA target is configured. 2. What are two benefits of using the Internet Service Database, ISDB, in an SD-WAN rule? Choose 2. A. The ISDB is dynamically updated and reduces administrative overhead. B. The ISDB requires application control to maintain signatures and perform load balancing. C. The ISDB applies rules to traffic from specific sources, based on application type. D. The ISDB contains the IP addresses and port ranges of well-known Internet services. 3. Which statement is correct about SD-WAN and ADVPN? A. Routes for ADVPN shortcuts must be manually configured. B. SD-WAN can steer traffic to ADVPN shortcuts, established over IPsec overlays, configured as SD-WAN members. C. SD-WAN does not monitor the health and performance of ADVPN shortcuts. D. You must use IKE v2 on IPsec tunnels. 4. Which two interfaces are considered overlay links? Choose 2. A. LAG. B. IPsec. C. Physical. D. GRE. 5. What are two reasons for using FortiManager to organize and manage the network for a group of FortiGate devices? Choose 2. A. It simplifies the deployment and administration of SD-WAN on managed FortiGate devices. B. It improves SD-WAN performance on the managed FortiGate devices. C. It sends probe signals as health checks to the beacon servers on behalf of FortiGate. D. It acts as a policy compliance entity to review all managed FortiGate devices. E. It reduces WAN usage on FortiGate devices by acting as a local FortiGuard server. 6. In the default SD-WAN minimum configuration, which two statements are correct when traffic matches the default implicit SD-WAN rule? Choose 2. A. Traffic has matched none of the FortiGate policy routes. B. Matched traffic failed RPF and was caught by the rule. C. The FIB lookup resolved interface was the SD-WAN interface. D. An absolute SD-WAN rule was defined and matched traffic. 7. What are two reasons why FortiGate would be unable to complete the zero-touch provisioning process? Choose 2. A. The FortiGate Cloud Key has not been added to the FortiGate Cloud Portal. B. FortiDeploy has connected with FortiGate and provided the initial configuration to contact FortiManager. C. The zero-touch provisioning process has completed internally, behind FortiGate. D. FortiGate has obtained a configuration from the platform template in FortiGate Cloud. E. A factory reset performed on FortiGate. 8. Which two statements describe how IPsec Phase 1 main mode is different from aggressive mode when performing IKE negotiation? Choose 2. A. A peer ID is included in the first packet from the initiator, along with suggested security policies. B. XAuth is enabled as an additional level of authentication, which requires a username and password. C. A total of 6 packets are exchanged between an initiator and a responder instead of 3 packets. D. The use of Diffie-Hellman keys is limited by the responder and needs initiator acceptance. 9. In a hub-and-spoke topology, what are 2 advantages of enabling ADVPN on the IPsec overlays? Choose 2. A. It provides the benefits of a full mesh topology in a hub-and-spoke network. B. It provides direct connectivity between spokes by creating shortcuts. C. It enables spokes to bypass the hub during shortcut negotiation. D. It enables spokes to establish shortcuts to third-party gateways. 10. Which components make up the secure SD-WAN solution? A. Application, antivirus, and URL, and SSL inspection. B. Data center, branch offices, and public cloud. C. FortiGate, FortiManager, FortiAnalyzer, and FortiDeploy. D. Telephone, ISDN, and telecom network.